Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering and pairing quickly. Charge the earbuds to about 30% and connect via Bluetooth. Once paired, open the companion app if your model uses one. Make sure required permissions are allowed so features load. Put both earbuds in and disable single ear detection if it interferes. This ensures sensors and firmware are active. Once done, you'll be ready to access advanced modes in the app or on-device controls without unexpected disconnections or sensor conflicts. Now you activate gaming mode directly. Open the app or use the press and hold hardware sequence on an earbud to reach the mode menu. Select gaming mode or low latency and accept any firmware or calibration prompts. This prioritizes audio throughput over processing for lower delay. Make sure to tweak the in-mode EQ and microphone priority. Some models offer a latency slider or enhanced voice chat option. Once set, the earbuds reduce buffering and aggressive noise reduction, so game audio and voice chat sync tighter. Finish by testing in a game that reveals latency. Shooters or rhythm titles work well, so you can hear whether the change improved sync. If audio gaps or high latency persist, reboot earbuds, repair the device, and check for firmware updates. Modern fixes often require a firmware patch. If voice chat sounds off, switch microphone priority or change the Bluetooth codec to aptX, AUX, or LC3 in your device settings. This balances quality versus latency and usually resolves the remaining issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.